Hey guys, James here. In a few easy steps, I'm going to generate a country exposure report using ReportWa, a really cool tool that lets you design reports right inside your favorite Microsoft Word and Excel. To your surprise, it can be created in just 10 minutes. Let's start by opening Microsoft Word. I've already installed the plugin, so you will see Hexaview item in the menu bar. I will now insert header and copy organization.name tag from Hexaview ribbon and give it some basic formatting. In the same way, I will insert some more tags named portfolio.name and input parameter.startDate, which will give the name of portfolio and date for which report is being generated. You can see how easily I can do the formatting, like change text size, alignment, etc. Now, giving report the heading Country Exposure. The Country Exposure Report is designed to provide quick insight into which asset class HNIs are willing to invest their money overseas. Similarly, from the Hexaview ribbon, we'll insert an image, resize it, and right-click on it, and go to Edit Alt Text, and insert a tag, organization.logoURL, as I wanted the logo of the organization. The header of the report is ready. Did you ever think it would be so easy to generate country exposure reports with data visualization? Let me show you. In the body of the page, I will insert the pie chart. You can use any chart you wish to. Right-click on it. We'll click on Edit Data. We'll insert the tags from Hexaview item for which you want the data to be visible on the graph when Excel pop-up opens. I will insert user-defined tags, group by country, and country market value. The most important thing in the pie chart is the need to add the comment in the pie chart. This is done when the user wants to see a particular color for the country. Next, I will insert a table to show the data of country market value. We need to insert a table as it will return all the values contained in that tag. Then I will insert some user-defined expressions, which include group by country, grouped security asset, market value by asset class and country, country market value, total market value. This is done so that the market value of every country should be grouped according to asset classes, as every country may have same asset classes with different values if we do not group it. Then the data will not be descriptive. Now you will see the country market values and its asset class market values separately. Percent asset expression is the calculation that results in the market value divided by total market value multiplied by 100. You can choose any list tables and do some formatting. Now our template is ready. I will now save this template as Country Exposure. Let's preview report for the portfolio Alexander Ludwig Brown and for the date January 8, 2017. This is how our generated report will look. Aren't you amazed how quick and easy report generation using ReportWa can be?